This video explains how to buy shares of Medifast Inc., a U.S.-based nutrition and weight loss product company listed on NASDAQ under the ticker MED, US. This is an educational guide, not financial advice, and investing involves risks you should understand before acting. To buy shares, you need a regulated broker. I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds to your account before purchasing. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker MED, US, to find Medifast Inc. Select the matching result to open the official company page. On the asset page, check the company overview, product information, and the price chart to confirm it is Medifast Inc. Make sure the ticker shows MED, US, and that the listing is NASDAQ before proceeding. Click Buy or Trade, enter the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the next session, and if funds are insufficient, the platform will prompt you to add money before confirmation. Your open position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. Find the eToro link in the description if you want to follow the exact steps shown.